Good morning. BDRX, VLCN. Those are two of the stocks that I have on watch. HSCS made a nice move here on some news at around 6 o'clock, but it has completely sold off, so I'm not really going to be watching that one. I just haven't found anything to put there. And then there is BSFC. It's currently our second leading gapper. It's up 41%. However, it is it's down at a support down in this consolidation zone. I don't know. Lackluster morning as far as going into the open. There were some definite good moves pre-market. BDRX here, the leading gapper. Well, it was. And interestingly, it'll pop up as a leading gapper and then it'll just like completely disappear for a while. And then it comes back. So I don't know. It's a cheaper stock, but it's got a good float. It's up over 100%. Let's take a look here at the daily time frame. I went ahead and marked out some daily resistance levels, and 296 and 365 are the most immediate ones, 365 being the 200 moving average. Right now we're at a 152, right around in this area. So we're up over, the price is up over the 100 moving average. So there was a big day back here, big Doge candle, and then opened a lot lower. This one's, you know, it's kind of beat up like a lot of them are. This one has a lot of upper wicks on the daily time frame. So I don't know that I would expect it to hold up. It's got news. BDRX had some kind of news on it. So this is the 15-minute time frame. And you notice how big this candle is. I'm a little concerned about that. The fact that there isn't any consolidation. A lot of times when you see this, it just means that it needs to pull back, and we might just see that happen on this one. Right now it's doing a good job of holding up. So we'll see. We'll see what happens here. Looks like we have a support line right there, but it's just consolidating. It's sideways. We're starting to see a 5-minute equilibrium here. There is a support down here at 133. That is the higher low. So the high of the move was 164. If the price tops out somewhere below 164 and pulls back to give us another higher low, that kind of consolidation, it gives a chance for the EMA to catch up on the 15-minute time frame. There could be continuation. So I'll be watching that, and we'll see what happens here. 10 minutes to go till the open. Now VLCN, EV maker Vulcan's stock skyrockets over 70% pre-market following UBS Group's buy-sell transactions. It is up 72%, 10 million shares traded. It's got 250,000 in the float. So it's got potential to move if we have enough interest from buyers. Taking a look at the daily time frame now. So we are trading right around the $6 level, 688. Hit a high of, this is the hourly time frame, hit a high of 787. Got over this daily resistance, but didn't hold up. So right now there is a double bottom down here at 577 on this hourly time frame. And I don't know. Really choppy on the 15-minute time frame. So time will tell. This one, I don't know, it could be tricky. Failed to break 682, resistance at 714, and there's that 787 level as a pre-market high. And BDRX, I mean, it's giving it a shot. Definitely holding up. Look at the volume on that last candle. There's the break. So we managed to overcome a 15-minute candle that had a long upper red wick. All right, well. I'm going to take a look. I wonder what else. Let's see here. Got about 7 minutes to go. Got a little bit of time to look at my scanners and see if I can pull up anything else here. Now, RIVN, not TSLL. Y'all remember TSLL from a couple days ago? I might just watch it. I'll put it up here so we can see it. My reason for keeping an eye on it is, okay, so 1645. Whoops. So 1645, that's the high of yesterday. Almost a double top here at 1645. Might be head and shouldering here, I'm not sure. But if it breaks over 1645, I would definitely be interested. This one wasn't, for me, the easiest to trade, but I'd be interested, I think, if there was a lack of something else to trade. This morning, there are a lot of stocks on my gap scan, but most of them just kind of like popped up and sold off. So not a lot to pick from in the bullish direction. So yeah, I'll keep an eye on it. We'll see on this one. BSFC is actually the third leading gapper. It's up 40%. And if it can hold this support level, which it's really not doing a very good job of. Now, if I look at the larger time frame, see the 15-minute here. There is another support level down in here. You had the pre-market open down here at around $2. It's hourly consolidation. So most likely there is a 5-minute downtrend on this. And as we can see, there certainly is. But like I said, with 235 is holding. But trading below the VWAP. So these two over here, TSLL and BSFC, I'm just going to kind of keep them there just to watch. I'm not planning on trading them right away. Depending on the price action. I mean, that could certainly change. 5 minutes to go. So I guess those are the four I'll be keeping an eye on. All right. So I didn't trade Monday because I was too tired on Monday. I have a job that I work, and so this is my second job. Hopefully someday here it'll be my primary job. But yeah, I was too tired to trade Monday morning. Tuesday morning I was still too tired after getting off work, but I traded anyway, proceeded to lose. And so I took Wednesday off to just kind of rest up and recoup a little bit. So here I am on Thursday, still feeling a little groggy, and but yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Maybe we'll get some good price action, and maybe it'll be an easy day. Right now, it doesn't look too easy. Little pullback here on the 5-minute time frame after that breakout through resistance. I would say that if we get to the open and the price is right around $16 here, it might, oh, there it goes. I would take a trade on it. Oh, that'd be pretty risky though. No, I probably wouldn't. Oh, and there it goes down even lower. I think probably the best bet would be to look for an entry in this area, maybe right in there on the 15-minute. That was that previous breakout spot, has not been tested yet, but here we are testing it. Still have a minute and a half until the open, so, but also keeping in mind this 15-minute time frame, there was an attempt at a higher low and higher high. Well, it was an inside bar bull break, but it failed, and so maybe there's a bounce off that level. But I think BDRX, is probably the one that's being most watched today. And like I said, it does have news. 1 minute to go. Biodexa Pharmaceuticals shares are trading higher after the company reported 12-month phase 2 trial results for whatever treating whatever. Okay. Great. I'm a great narrator. Put a line up here for that high. Okay, we'll delete that. On the 5-minute time frame, that is a 13-cent range on that candle. Got 15 seconds to go here. I'm looking at TSLL and BDRX as two possible things to trade here. Uh-oh, I missed my exit over there on TSLL. That's the downside of being in so many trades at once. still maybe going to go higher. I don't know. And I'm stuck in a halt going down on BDRX, unfortunately. I tried to get out. Couldn't do it. Trying to dial in on VLCN here. I filled too high on that. Probably better reduce my size or completely get out, I guess. I kind of want to stay in it though. Managing multiple trades at once is sometimes very difficult. See if we get the move up to 7 here. Can we get the break through 7? I'm stuck in that halt going down over there on BRDX. I gotta watch that one. Okay, See here, I'm going to get out of this and hopefully my loss won't be too big. Yeah, that was a pretty good loss. Yeah, get back out of that. Oh, that's too bad over here. Gosh dang it. Should have took the profit when I had it. Oh, get in trouble. So we need to get up over 7 on this one. See if we can do it. Gonna have a new 5-minute candle coming up. I see Zap hitting the high of day scan over there. Wow. Try this again. This one feels like it's going to drop though. Is it going to halt going down? I do not want to get stuck in another halt going down. Oh. Gosh. $6. Let me get in at $6 right down at that support. You know, I'm really worried it's going to halt. Is it halted? Did it halt? I hope not. Oh man, I think it did. Yes, it did. Oh gosh, dang it. Not my day, man. Not my day. That was a pretty harsh rejection off of $7. This one here might just drop too. So we got this area here that I'm playing off of. That's what I'm looking at. VWAP 2. Looking at this being an equilibrium. Yeah. Big move on that one. I hope it holds up. So far this morning, we've been seeing them not hold up. Maybe we'll get up to 50. 250 would be nice. Should book some of that profit at least, I guess, just to make sure. That is a resistance up there we just hit. 244. Got another one up here. When did we get halted over here? On VLCN 640, so resumption should be in another minute. What I'm going to do here is put in some stop losses. Oops. Wow. It's an impressive move there on that one. Flatten that. Wow, I got lucky there. You know what? Flattened her all out. I'm all out of everything. This one I got really lucky on VLCN that we opened flat and actually moved back up. That's crazy. I didn't expect that. I've been stuck in a lot of halts going down in my day, and I tell you that never really happens. But TSLL, look at it coming up to this daily now. Breaking over. Should I buy it here? That's the question. Right at 50. I haven't made a lot on TSLL. I remember this from the other day too. It wasn't the easiest for me to trade. I don't know. I'm almost thinking I should stop. I'm at my daily goal and rather rough. One thing let's do here. Get rid of some of these lines so I can see what I'm doing. What kind of ranges we have here. Well, let's see what happens. This could flush down, but we'll just see here if it can hold up. It's up at the 50s there. That was just a quick one. I don't know, getting over that daily is pretty significant, but you want to see it hold. Up over 50 now. There's the move through 55, up through 58. See if we can get up to 60. Trying to take profit as we move up. Looking for a little dip here. It's going to go through 658 maybe. There's 60. Went ahead and just took the profit on that. That's a new 5-minute candle. Maybe we're going to consolidate here on the 5-minute time frame. So our leading gapper BDRX here, still consolidating. Don't know if it's gonna give us that next move. VLCN. Yeah, none of these look very good. TSLL, we did get over that daily level, so this one's, you know, it's consolidated for a couple of days after the initial move up, and now here we are back over the daily and on our way to $17. But we might want to see 5-minute consolidation here after this great big move. Or not. You could just see a nice 1-minute uptrend. Right now it's down at the EMA here. Take a stab at it right there around 1640. See if she wants to hold up. Nope. So we're not going to have a 1-minute uptrend. I would like to see if it can get down to 1630. This is about the time where I usually wrap up my trading. All right, a new 5-minute candle. This one, kind of a doge candle, but held up pretty well. I don't know that I'm going to see that move down to 630 that I wanted. That's where I was going to get in it. There she goes. Right through the high. Oh, I didn't have these levels back here marked out. I should have had those marked. And I did not. You can see here, we had a nice bounce on this candle after getting through it. Oh, lots of sellers at 76. Wow. Big sellers at 76. Don't know if we're going to make it through that or not. You know what? I think I'm going to be done for the day. I'm going to go ahead and just take that profit that I have because yesterday or Tuesday when I traded, it was a pretty big red day. And so I almost got back everything I lost from that day. 144 points. I hit a low of negative 32, and my high is 144. So that gives me a green candle. So now I only need to make, a handful of points tomorrow to get back up to my all-time highs. And I'll be in good shape for the week. So right now my week is red. I don't think this looks right. Could have swore I fixed that, but anyways, yeah, that's it. So that's my trading day. I hope you had a good trading day, and I hope that you're having a successful trading career. It's not an easy game to learn, and it's a long road, but you can get there if you have dedication and drive, and you're eager to just keep going. Take care. I'll see you back here first thing tomorrow morning for our last day of the week. Bye-bye.